Hello, welcome to another Siler Instrument Quick Tip. Today we're going to talk about a utility within the roads module of Trimble Access called additional points. On a plan set, a lot of times there's a table of specialized locations, maybe a utility layout system map for manholes and inlets. Benchmarks and control points maybe are possibly defined by station and offset. Here's a real simple plan with some station and offsets for some inlets and manholes. You just see three different ones. Well, what if there's 50? What if it's a large system map? What if you have miles and miles of a specialty ditch that has a big table with station offset and elevation for a specialized ditch? Well, in the Define Roads feature of Trimble Access, there's a tool called Additional Points. All you need to do is, in the nice warmth and comfort of your office, type in a station offset elevation file or import it from another location and save it as either a CSV or a text file. Put that in your data collector's job folder, and then when you go into the roads module of Trimble Access, under the Define feature, you're going to select the alignment or the road that you want to attach those additional points to. I'm going to edit. Now here's where the additional points can be found, down here at the bottom of the list. Now if I want, I can type in the points manually in the data collector one by one, just by typing the new feature. Type in a station, offset, elevation, and a code or a descriptor. But if I have a large list that I want to import, you can see I have an import feature down here at the bottom of the screen. So if I import, you can see it recognizes CSV files and text files to be able to import. I select the file I want to import, and then it asks me if there are any points in my import file that do not have elevations. It's going to pull the centerline profile elevation at that station and assign it to the point. So you can see quickly I imported 5 different points: station, offset, elevation, and code. I'm going to accept and store those changes to this alignment. And now when I go to survey a road, I select the alignment that I just attached those additional points to, and then for the stake method, I'm going to go ahead and change it to additional points. And now you can see on the position, I've got a pull-down list with all of those points that are available. I can stake the first one and then use the hotkeys here at the bottom of the page. If I page down, you can see the actual elevation from the file. And if maybe the additional points were the rim elevations and you had to do the rim and the flow line, there's this right arrow here where you can edit the elevation, enter and store. So again, under the roads module for Trimble Access, there's a tool called additional points. Thanks, and that concludes this Siler Instrument Quick Tip.